Meteorologist Marquise Mita now. Marquise, those pups are adorable. Diesel, I can tell, would love a great walk.
He's just a big old teddy bear,
Yes.
right? You were saying don't let the name fool you, right? Because just so full of love. I wish I could love this forecast coming up, but unfortunately we've got a lot more rain to deal with this afternoon. The good news is temperatures aren't as warm as they once were earlier in the work week. Let's take you out to New Smyrna where we have some lighter showers moving across the area, but we also have those dangerous wave heights and beach conditions. 90 degrees, it feels like 105, but winds are coming in from the west and the northwest. That's where your primary wind is coming from. That northwesterly component also aiding in keeping temperatures below their seasonal average for many of us here in Central Florida. In fact, some of us haven't even sniffed the 80s yet. 78 in Orlando, 79 in Kissimmee, 81 in St. Cloud, and that's where we have our biggest cluster of showers currently, but also all across our beaches from Flagler all the way down to Brevard County. Life-threatening beach conditions do persist today and tomorrow, with seas close to the shoreline between 3 and 5 feet across our New Smyrna beach tower cam. We saw those white caps, and here's what exists offshore. Wave heights are anywhere between 5 and 8 feet as dangerous conditions still do persist. Elsewhere, as we move across New Smyrna, we're taking a look at those showers pushing offshore just east of A1A right now. As we advance towards the North Palm Coast, you do have some lighter showers in your neck of the woods across I-95. Further towards the south, Oak Hill, we have those showers propagating towards the east, and it's in Brevard County where we have our strongest cluster of showers right now. That north and westerly breeze meeting up with that sea breeze from the east, in which just north of Cape Canaveral, we are starting to see that chance for a stronger storm. So keep our eyes on that feature there. Along the turnpike, widespread rain does exist in both Osceola and Polk County. This is where we have a strong storm as well, with maximum sustained winds up to 40 miles per hour. Disney, we're watching these showers push towards your east rather quickly, and they're all coming in from the north and the west and out towards the north and the west. Light rain across Rutland all the way north into Marion County. Your next 12 hours shape up like this. Eventually temperatures drop down into the lower 80s in Orlando as we're still dealing with that widespread rain, eventually tapering off by 7. Also tapering off is Hurricane Erin, moving towards the north and the east as of the 11 o'clock advisory, with wind speeds of 90 miles per hour. It's a Category 1 hurricane, but likely downgraded to a post-tropical storm later tonight. Also, we're watching Invest 90. This could be your next named storm. Could be a storm by the time the weekend is said and done. On its heels, we do have Invest 99L. Likely going to see a short-lived depression in which over the next 5 days we show that 50% chance. Spaghetti model plots have all of these features staying well away from our United States coastline. But as we move into the weekend, we're watching out for your next named storm. Its name would be Fernand. However, we are anticipating that peak of hurricane season. We're about 2 weeks away. September 10th is when we see that peak. Tonight, though, temperatures should range anywhere between the mid and the upper 70s. Your weekend planner shows us in the lower 90s, so quite seasonable weather there. And for your Bucks forecast, thankfully, no rain in it as the Buffalo Bills come to town in Tampa. Your 7-day forecast, however, does have rain on both weekend days. Saturday and Sunday not looking the best. 92 on Saturday, 90 on the dot Sunday. And then we see temperatures rising towards the middle of your upcoming work week.